Hello and welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be making some mulled wine chocolate brownies. All the Christmas feels in one mouthful. I've got this 8-inch 20cm square cake tin that I've just lined with some baking paper ready to go. The oven, which is a fan oven, is on at 160 degrees. We're going to be using the stand mixer today just to make things a little bit easier on ourselves. So I have the bowl, although this is a big jug from my KitchenAid, ready to go. And then we are going to be sifting in 100 grams of plain flour and 50 grams of cocoa powder. And I've just realised I didn't want to do that in this bowl just yet, so I'm going to put them back in here. There we go, okay, that's the side. Okay, and in here I want to beat together 150 grams of unsalted butter with 200 grams of light brown muscovado sugar. And I'm just going to beat these until light and fluffy. Okay, and then we're going to add in 1 large egg plus 1 extra egg yolk. And my favourite, a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. Okay, and now we're going to add in our, can you see that? No, 50 grams of cocoa powder and 100 grams of plain flour that we've already sifted. I've got 100 mils of mulled wine. This is just mulled wine straight out of the bottle. If you don't have mulled wine or you can't access it, you could use 100 mils of red wine and add in cinnamon, cloves and ginger. I would say probably not a lot of each of them, like a very big generous pinch, obviously to your taste. So 100 mils of that goes in. And then I'll slowly mix those just to combine. Okay, and then we want our lovely chocolate. Here I've got 200 grams of dark chocolate that I've melted, and that is all going to go in. Just going to quickly scrape down the sides. And then mix that until it's all combined. Okay, and then I'm just going to literally dump it all out of here into our lined tin. just going to evenly spread it out. My hands are very clean, don't worry. Right, and then I'm going to bake that in the oven, which is preheated, for 15 minutes. It will, or it might be a little bit wobbly when it comes out, which is fine because it's brownie, and we all know brownies firm up a bit more as they set. I'm going to let it cool in the tin, and then I think I'll put some foil over the top and pop it in the fridge overnight, and then I'll be back with you to cut it up. Okay, so it is the next morning now. I cooked this for 5 minutes longer than I said I was going to, so 20 minutes in total. Let it cool in the pan, and then I thought I was going to wrap it in foil and put it in the fridge. I just put it in the fridge sitting on the baking paper, and it's set up really, really hard. This bit is cracked. That was my fault. Big oaf hands, basically. So I'm going to get this cut up. Oh, look at that. See that? That looks so good. There we go. Oh, all that deliciousness on the knife. So this is going to be what I'm eating. The rest is going to go to work for my colleagues. Oh, that's really good. The mulled wine gives it a really subtle flavour. It's not really, really strong. It's like a Christmas background notes. It's so good. And there you go. Let me know if you make it. Drop me a comment below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to see future videos. And I will see you next time. Bye.